Hello fellow travelers, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will guide you through the process of checking in for your United Airlines flight using the United Airlines mobile app. It's a convenient way to save time and hassle at the airport, of course. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so first off, make sure you have the United Airlines app installed on your mobile device. All right. I'm on united.com website. So once you downloaded the United Airlines app either from App Store for iOS devices or Google Play for Android, you might want to log in using your account. All right. Okay. Here, if you are lost during the navigation process, you might want to go here at the help section at the united.com website right here. So it says what the app can do for you, right? Easy plan your trip, whether it's you or you're traveling with friends. You can check in for your flight, get your boarding pass, and pay for your bags ahead of time. All right. So once you've logged in, you look for the check-in feature. It's still typically found on the app's home screen or the main menu. Tap on it and start the check-in process. Of course, you'll need to provide your booking information, and this usually includes your confirmation number or ticket number. You can find this information in your booking confirmation on your paper ticket. Okay? And after entering the booking details, the app will retrieve your flight information, review the details to ensure they are correct, and including your name, flight details, and seat assignment. All right. But also, if you haven't already chosen your seat, you can do so during the check-in process. The app will often provide you with a seating map, allowing you to select your preferred seat. Okay. And if you're traveling with others, you can often add them to your check-in process, especially if they're included in your reservation. So make sure to review their details too. And once you've reviewed all of it, tap confirm or to check in. All right. The app will generate your boarding pass, which you can save to your device for easy access in the airport. And congratulations, you've successfully checked in for your United Airlines flight using the mobile app. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.